Okay, so the next step is to start adding measurements onto all of our sides. So we're going to do that using this tool here, which is called the dimension tool. When you click on the dimension tool, it gives us options to measure sides and also angles and also dimensions of radiuses. So that'll be useful for our woofers. So for the sides, I'm just going to do this. You just click on a side and then you just drag out like this. And then it will draw out those dimensions for you like this. Really nice and simple. So we need to have ones for each of our sides. Let's just do those nice and quickly. You can see I need to just bring that left side in a little bit because it's fallen off the edge of the canvas, and just get the text here and move it above so it's nice and visible. And if the text is getting in the way, I'm just going to move the text up. Yeah, so we got all of these parts here. So let's just add the rest of the dimensions in now. You'll also need the dimensions for the doors and the panels. You just do that like I'm just going to drag those in this time, like this. And do that same on this side here. So a bit of space here to show that, so that's fine. Let's do it on the, we could even do it on the inside, I think. Okay, and then just add all our dimensions like this. Nice and easy. So just drag it out here and it'll tell us what the dimensions of that is. That's 50 millimeters there. We also need it for the feet, so let's do that as well here. So that's just simply just not this one again. When you be careful, just click it back to the dimensions again. Like that. And yeah, we just continue that process until we've got all the measurements that we need for all of the different sides. So we also need to know the distances between different components. So for example, these feet example, and how far away the feet are from the edges, and how far away are the woofers from the edge of the panels. All these things as well, we need to measure those out. So in order to do that, we can just start drawing. Just click on one side once and then click a second time and double click, and it will tell us the exact dimensions that I have from one to the other. So then I can look at how far away is it from here. So then again, so I'm just going to click on dimension tool, click on that, and then click here. You can hold down shift to make it straight. Okay, so we can now do that. So we have all our measurements for all our different sides done, and it should end up looking a bit like this. And that's the one we want to do, is to make sure we have all our measurements showing for our design. Okay.